Need to export estimates from QuickBooks Online to Excel or CSV without pulling them one by one?
Whether you need to analyze your sales pipeline offline, share pending bids with your team, or just want a quick backup, doing this manually can take forever. Here's the quickest way to do it. First, get SaasAnt Transactions from the QuickBooks App Store. Connect it to your QuickBooks company and sign up for a free trial. From the SaasAnt dashboard, open Download. In Transaction List, choose Estimates. Now choose how you want to search. You can filter by transaction date, created date, or last updated date. Set your date range. If you want to be more specific, use advanced filters like amount or reference number, so you only export what you need. Once the list loads, click Download and choose Excel or CSV. Finally, open your Downloads folder and your estimates export is ready to review, share, or keep as a backup. This is especially handy before cleanup or migration, for proposal and pipeline reporting, or when you need a clean export for records. Thanks for watching.